pumpkin pumpkin sui pumpkin de na ten nang su ya pumpkin de sui ma nyu che de ten nang su ya. You know, I'm going to make this pumpkin today. I'm going to make first time this one. I never made this one before. So yesterday we went to the farm in Connecticut. So we went to the peach picking and I saw this pumpkin. And then I saw in YouTube there's so many people they cooking this one. So I like to cook this one. So I bought yesterday three of them, the small pieces. Look. So I'm gonna make this pumpkin today. So I will show you how I make this one. I'm making first time, but I don't know how is the taste and how it's going. I don't know, but I will try my best. I watched few weeks before. There's one, you know, the Arunachal. There's one guy. They are eating so much these things, you know, but they didn't fry it. They boil, they put in the water and everything, you know, and then they cook it. So that's why I don't like to boil. So I will fry this one. So my own recipe. So I will try my best to cook this one today. So let's see how it goes. Marang ge the recipe to chinira. Marang ge suzu ta de me de garlic ko to bimba. And ginger, digam chiche, and one big onion. I clean up already. And need ginger, garlic, and I will show you one more. And then I'm gonna put this one. The ngazoge bunch put on your hands. That you know, in there like a what is that? Mustard seed. And jeera, the jeera color, I don't know. And you know, the cilantro seed, they have 5 spices inside. And then I'm gonna this one add methi, yeah, methi de tamundu nalta. Trasalwa ani de ginger da garlic che de paj pura to dum ra mix che ani de nyam do de fry che and de zonglu and tomato lu and de fry che ba ni tanda de mura khade so. So I'm going to put these two things and one big onion, one ginger and few garlics. Ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to make the ginger garlic paste. I'm gonna mix this one, ginger and garlic. I'm gonna make a paste, ginger garlic paste, and then I will show you how I make this vegetables today. I'm making first time. I don't know how is the taste and everything, you know, how long it's gonna be cooked. So this is my first experience to going to make this pumpkin. Panch puranji, de nyamdol mix chi. 가장 내가 담을 때 박샤 수에 봐 가지러나. 요즘 내게 사사별 도저 따이기라. 박샤 되게 네팔리게 다다 유행을 되나 위전하는 라이라. 네팔리게 가운데리야 레스트나 호조 칼라 드라마를 쏘다 마살라시라 메나 반에 칼라 디시도 쏘다야. 아니 어디 얘기 가서 박샤티 수에 봐. 남주나 내게 박샤티 이치야. 야메나 박샤 베치, 야메나 프라이치, 사이드라 달 수에 디치야. 다리 등게 박샤 가리 수에 봐. 가리 수에 베시 무샤샤. 코아도 엔데시 무샤샤라. 맞다 달리니 사인 봐. 로선 대신에 칼라시였어 노래. 집 로나 안 나와래. 맞아야 칼라시 뭐 얘는 맨날 맞다 왜 말이야. 다른 일이 이제 몇 싸워. 가지나 나 칼라만 이라는 바. 신고 연애다 또 근데 저거 있잖아 봐요. 세번 많이 해줘. So now I'm gonna cut the onion. Ini onion dari mulut mulut. I'm gonna cut the long pieces onion. Kau dari mulut mulut sih, bah kalau ngarang style juga. Tapi ngarang ke recipe tadi. This is my own recipe. Tanga kalau the bad thing is I don't have tomato. I finished my tomato, so I didn't get time to tomato yesterday because we were so busy. We went to the Connecticut, so it's okay. So I'm gonna make today the ginger garlic paste, onion, and I'm gonna put this what's it? Mustard mare the chimba jiru I washed already last night, so I didn't need to wash today. So I'm gonna cut the small cube. I don't know how it's gonna be taste, but I will cook today this one. I think I'm going to 니 따교디 유튜브 나 따교디 그저 보일 수기다. 이제 디 마고 수고민도 I don't need to cook long because 무사 주의서. 디페 디르다 fresh 되게. This one is so fresh. 디 fresh 가도 sana 시부도 제가 야채 부쳐는 하고요. Let's see. Almost ready to fry. So my ginger garlic paste is ready. farm the mean consideration. What the bee speaking chica dream ba. And chuba chisai. And chilogaji didn't reservation. Chilogaji didn't reservation. 당연히 근데 데스베 가서 오지도 하대. 데스베. 세베 데스하고 사이드베 도도라 사이시. 근데 인도어 플랜들을 디 가지 디 플랜 데 가지 마페 닙도로 없이 찾아 다 단답은 엔데 닙도로 없이 찾아시 엔데 차로도 돼 가지 찌겨라고 지나봤는데 고좀 봤어 가시 what happened I don't know nothing so I'm gonna make this ginger garlic paste ginger the garlic paste mix it onion I don't have a tomato today. It's okay. I will manage it. Tomato United 도와첨으로 줘라요. 나 클라스도 좀 좀 tomato, ginger, garlic 이거 인지 미지 거야. 인지 미지 tomato 또 거야라. 그 달다 디불도 tomato 데디 가지는 이 프라이 치어와. 그 tomato 메나 키면도. So I'm going to fry this one until my onion is going to brown a little bit. So mix with all ginger garlic paste. And then I'm going to add the salt, turmeric, and my spices. Turmeric, red chili powder, and my mixed masala. Mixed masala. Look, so many masala here I have. Masala te ye mango yung alta mama. Chana masala, bindi masala, coriander, you know the biryani masala, mixed chicken masala, and so many. Masala ta ngala minde. Imande ngalta de bindi ga sona bindi masala khaga. Ani karela sona karela ge masala khaga. Ani chiyo da mutton sona mutton, chicken khaga, beef khaga, you know the pork. The pork da yue mare. Pork ga masala nga yue mare chidan ha masala. Pork ga jinala nge di luguya. Mix masala chiyo. On di luguya. So I'm gonna put a little bit salt. 사디다 소소 갑자기 이메가 나한테 지나는 게 라고라 차대 빼 뉴뉴도 사빼 뉴뉴 라고 차 가지는 망고 차이면 차 가지고 차 뉴뉴 괜찮아 카드에 걸어주시 put the Kashmiri mirchi. Kashmiri mirchi. Kashmiri mirchi. And mixed masala. And then I'm gonna put a little bit turmeric. And mix again nicely. 그래서 야구치네 마살라든 그 믹스라 마살라당 종당 참마다 믹스 야구치나 이 sabji look fried chira so I'm gonna add the pumpkin Şimdi orada çalsa resim olmuş. Söyle lele ora. Ta sozo karı sözü da dedi. Sozo fry çinari, kıran boil çinari. Hani karı çine belli. Sozo de var da. You make your own recipe. You don't need to, you know. Or some people they're making a boil, some people they're making a fry, some people they're making a, you know that. Everyone has a different recipe. So this one I'm making my own recipe. Let's see what happens. Okay, see you in 5 minutes. So I will check. Şimdi koşadı da be. Wow, I like it. This is my first time I'm cooking the pumpkin. Looks so yummy. Not bad. 이 지라시를 쪼고 있으면 어떡해. 다른 거는 밑도 쳐서 씨. 네. It looks so yummy. Wow. That's good. maybe juice 담아라. juice down this fresh shasha. Okay, I'm gonna put the low flame and I'm gonna cook like slowly. I don't want to burn my pumpkin, so I'm gonna leave the just leave the little bit open. Okay, let's see. So this is final pumpkin fry. Looks so yummy, and I just taste a little bit. It's so good. So I'm going to eat this with rice. I'm gonna eat this with rice. Look guys, looks yummy. So right now I taste a little bit. It was good, not bad. Okay, hope you guys like my video, and thanks to you guys liking my video. I have so many comments. You cooking so good, you know. Thank you so much. Yeah, I know I love to cook, but I don't have a time to cook every day, so only I have a time on Saturday and Sunday, and mostly I cook on Sunday because Saturday most of the time we go out, you know that. So that's why I have only time to cook on Sunday. So that's why I will show you. I try my best to cook